Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is array fill keys. So that's a PHP array function. So what basically it does, it basically returns an associative array using keys and the value to be filled in that array. So what argument it takes? First one is keys, that's an array. So same will become key of the resulted array. Then second is value. So the resulted array will be filled with this value. So let's get started. So firstly write array fill keys. So you can see first one is keys then value. So firstly define keys array. So write 1, 2, 3, 4 and pass this as first argument. Then pass test as value. Print are this array fill keys. Also echo pre. So let's go and check in browser. So you can see in associative array is returned with 1 to 4 and value as test. So now let's in keys array pass some mixed values, let's say numeric as well as string. So convert 1 into string, then A, let's say 3 as integer, then B last is string. Refresh, you can see it's giving us the output. There is no error for that, so it's taking mixed keys as well. Then let's just pass values as an array as well. So write t1, t2, t3 and let's pass this array in place of test. So paste value there. So now let's go and refresh. So now you can see it's taking 4 elements and inside that it's also an array. So it's basically creating a multi-dimensional array here. Right now it's 2D array. Right now it's taking keys as 0, 1, 2. So now let's go and pass associative array in values. So let's create first one, pass A goes to T1, then write second key value pair as B goes to T2. So let T3 be like without any key. So let's go and now see in browser, refresh. So now you can see A and B and T3 is having 0 key. So it's like by default coming as 0. So now let's pass negative indexes. So write -2, -1, 0, 1. So let's check in browser, refresh. So you can see -2, -1, 0 and 1. So it's taking all the negative indexes. So one more thing we can pass here is range. So just pass range from let's say -3 to let's say 2. Now save and let's go again, refresh. So it's taking -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 till 2. So in this video I have shown you array fill keys. So there is another function similar to this, that is array fill. So please go and check that out as well. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.